I've been offered an employment-related settlement agreement by my employer. In it, they're asking me to return their property to them. What do I have to return? I'm Richard Hiron, also known as the Hironator, and I'm an employment law solicitor. Now, on the face of it, this might seem like a very straightforward and obvious question, but it does have its own particular quirks. However, going from the top, yes, you do have to return the usual suspects. Cue a brief presentation montage of the things to be returned. So yes, the company phone, that has to go. The next one, you guessed it, the company laptop, that's going. And all those lovely documents with all of those things set out in them. Even down to, pedantically, that pen that you received. Now, all of that's quite straightforward. That might need to be returned either before or after you leave your employment, usually on a set timescale. There are also things that fall within that: documents and copies of documents. Now, this might seem straightforward, but what we're talking about is not just paper copies and electronic copies. We're also talking about things stored up here that you are able to replicate either electronically or on paper in the future. So any of those kinds of copies need to be returned as well. So as you can see, company property or employer property is a bit more complex than we thought at the beginning. I hope that's answered the question. In the meantime, if you're finding a settlement agreement hard, bring it to Richard.